South African banks are being more lenient on customers who are experiencing financial difficulties due to COVID-19 and the lockdown. So to get more on this, I'm joined now by the Managing Director of the Banking Association of South Africa, Bongiwe Kunene. Bongiwe, thanks a lot for joining us this evening. We do know that there was relief between the 25th of March and the 25th of April, but you and I know that we're in May now. So what plans do banks have to relieve their customers?
Thank you very much, Faith. There's been quite a lot that's been done. We've been contacted by 1.2 million individuals. Of those individuals, 852,000 have been assisted. And the amount that has gone for cash flow relief for those individuals has been 7.74 billion rand. And we have been contacted by 90,000 businesses. Of those 90,000 businesses, we have assisted 75,000. And the amount for cash flow relief for the businesses has been 7.24 billion rand so far. I have to say that all of this is ongoing. The figures I'm giving to you right now, they are valid from the period of March up to 25th.
April. Yeah, I mean, when we're looking at everything that's happening right now, Bongiwe, we've got relief measures that actually differ from bank to bank, right? Then the question is, why is there no consolidated approach? Why is it that there has to be one works for this bank but does not necessarily account for this bank?
In principle, all the relief that is being offered is the same. What differs is the credit risk appetite for each of the banks. So when they assess, they will be accessing clients on an individual basis, and they'll also be looking at the record of each of the applications if the client has been a client in good standing. And in general, they all agree that a client in good standing is that client who has been paying in their commitments for a period up to the end of February 2020.
How sustainable, though, is this, Bongiwe? And the reason why I ask is because you're providing relief to clients that were in good standing. They said that the client was in good standing in March. It's now May, and I'm sure, given the current financial economic climate, not many of those clients are currently in good standing still. So are you then able to sustain the relief that you're given, particularly to those clients who would just really prey or victim to the economic climate?
Yes. All of this is taking into account that we are in unusual circumstances. Most of the clients who are coming to the banks, it's not because of anything that they've done wrong that is landing them in this circumstance. These are clients who have been very faithful in paying for their obligations, and the banks in return are acknowledging that by giving them these measures for relief. The relief time that is being considered at the moment is for 3 months.
Bongiwe Kunene, we're going to leave it there. That is Banking Association South Africa Managing Director, giving us the latest in terms of the relief that's been given to bank customers as well as some of the businesses. But